All right, this is our 19th annual Expo for Lawn and Garden for the Master Gardeners of Ellis County. And we have a tremendous amount of vendors and over 10,000 plant sales that have our perennial and native and adaptive plants, and also our tomatoes and peppers and herbs. So come on out and see us out here. This has been a great response with our visitors, our shoppers. I mean, it's overwhelming. All the people first rush in to all of the plant sales. That's where everything's happening. There's a lot of people moving through here. Everybody tries to get to this event so they can, get the best selection of plants and enjoy themselves,
And we've got a tremendous amount of vendors that have wonderful things for sale, a lot of creative stained glass, just a lot of different art type products that people are selling, as well as the plants. And there's a lot of children's activities in the children's room. You can bring your kids out and spend a lot of time in that room. And there's a lot of educational things in there as well, such as the Master Naturalist. There's also John Bunker Sands that will tell your kids about the wetlands and a number of other things. The main speaker is Daniel Cunningham. He's from Water University, and he's going to be talking about plants, Texas plants that grow best in our climate. Then we have 4 other speakers. Daniel speaks at 11, and then we have 4 other speakers that follow him on each hour, and they're each master gardeners. One of them is talking about irrigation. Another one is speaking about using natural plants or native plants in your landscape.
It's an exciting day. We really like everybody to come out and enjoy all the food and all the activities for the children. Enjoy the plants and have a good time.